Vietnam is one of the fastest growing logistics hubs in Asia, strategically located with strong trade routes, deep seaports, and access to global supply chains. For foreign investors, establishing a logistics company here offers massive opportunities, but navigating the ownership limits and licensing requirements is crucial. Foreign investors must first establish a company in Vietnam by obtaining an Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, and an Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC. These licenses legally recognize your company and define your business scope, which must include logistics services under the official VSIC codes. Choosing the right codes is the first step to ensuring your operations are fully compliant. Foreign ownership in logistics depends on the specific service. For core services like freight forwarding, warehousing, and express delivery, foreign investors can own up to 100%. However, for other services, restrictions apply. Container handling is capped at 50%, road freight at 51%, and maritime transport at 49%. Rail and inland waterway freight are also capped at 49%. Additionally, customs agency services require a joint venture with a Vietnamese partner. Vietnam does not impose a single minimum charter capital for logistics companies, but your declared capital must be realistic and match the scope of services. While many companies declare between $50,000 and $500,000 USD, investors in capital-intensive services like warehousing, ports, or trucking fleets may need to declare higher capital to satisfy licensing authorities. Every logistics company must register a legal head office in Vietnam with a valid lease contract and ownership documents. While a virtual office can be used for initial registration, services such as warehousing, container handling, or trucking require physical facilities that meet specific industry and safety standards. Beyond company registration, certain logistics services require additional sub-licenses. For example, international multimodal transport licenses are issued by the Ministry of Transport. Depending on your services, you may also need a license to conduct road freight transport, a license for inland waterway transport, or a license for maritime transport. Failing to obtain the correct permits can lead to suspension of your operations. At LTS Law, we assist foreign investors in setting up logistics companies by analyzing complex ownership restrictions, structuring joint ventures, and preparing all licensing applications. Our expertise helps you secure necessary sub-licenses for services like multimodal transport, warehousing, or container handling, ensuring every step is compliant. With our bilingual legal team and extensive experience, we navigate the complex regulations for you. Your company will be registered quickly, and you will have the legal foundation you need to build a resilient and effective supply chain in Vietnam. Don't let legal complexities delay your logistics expansion. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.in for a free consultation. Your logistics company will be established legally, efficiently, and ready to become a vital part of one of Asia's fastest growing markets.